Guys, thanks for coming back and checking out our video today. Today we have a product I'm really excited about. It's an alien sunshade. Bam! Super excited about this. Whoops. Super excited about this alien sunshade. So if you have your top off in the Jeep and you drive around, you know all the wind comes in and you maybe get a little bit of sun, get some sunburn. This is going to help you with that. But then you may ask, well, what's the point of having the top off? Watch the video, you'll find out. So this is like, if you ever was a kid growing up, had a trampoline, you lay under the trampoline and you look up and you can see like, it's like mesh. It keeps the sun off of you, but you still feel the sun. It still hits you. You can still see the sun, you still see out. Well, that's kind of what this resembles. So if you're driving down the highway in your Jeep, on the highway, if you're around town, it doesn't really matter. If you're around the highway, all that wind thumping, you know, you can't hear your radio, can't hear anybody talk. This is going to help with that. And it also helps keep some of that sun off of you so it doesn't burn you up, especially if you have any kids. So when you open the box, bam, this gives you all your goodies. So installation instructions, check that out. And then I guess more installations for the back. And see here, it's this little mesh looking thing. So I got black. They have different colors you can get. So if you want to get like wild with the colors, you can. I got this colors because, again, the colors of the Jeep, I was afraid if I got green or blue, it wouldn't match and it would like clash. I almost got blue though. Oh, and it gets a little sticker. That'll go in the toolbox. And there's something else in here I'll show you guys, but the bungee cords, some extras, windshield pack. I guess this is for if you take the windshield off. These are for the front. Look, it's got like a little nest in there. Why is the nest in there? Because it gives you an Easter egg. They send you a little alien man that you can, look at that, little alien. And he like moves around. You can like mount him inside your car. It's so cool. All right, so we're gonna get this installed. I've never installed one of these before, so we're gonna figure it out. All right, so I'm gonna be a little close here with this one, but I already installed the back. I'll show you guys. It's the same process as this. There is a difference between the two. One's for the back and one is for the front. There's a difference in the bungees. Some are from the back, some are from the front. Now, they give you very clear instructions on how to do this. You need no tools to do this whatsoever. You're not removing anything. Now, it does give you, so they tell you in the instructions, it's very important for 2024 models and newer, which mine's a 2025, we have airbags on these roll bars, right? So it's very, very important that you follow these instructions, and there is some that you exclude on the bungees. Very important to follow these instructions, because if you wrap these bungee cords in the wrong spot, it'll go over the airbag, and when your airbag deploys, if it needs to, it won't function right, and it's a safety issue. Do not, it even labels the cords on there, do not use a 2024 and up. Follow these instructions. Do not put a bungee over your airbag. Follow the instructions. So we're going to get this started. Put this on here somewhere. We're going to follow the instructions. So, one, thread your 10-inch. Now, some of these are different sizes. On the back, there's 3 different sizes. So that's the one thing I can say. I wish they would label all of them, but they don't. So like right here, you'll see I have 2 different sizes, right? I have some really long ones and I have some short ones. They don't tell you that they're different sizes. I mean, there's only 4 here, so it's not that big of a deal, but here we are. Yeah, so we're going to do, attach these bungees, take one of the 10-inch T-bars, which is going to be these ones, I'm sure, because these ones are really long. And I'm going to do this, rip off that tag. We're going to put this with the alien shade sign on the bottom, if possible, which does, yeah, this way. Just kind of look up here. The front squared off, so the square end goes up here. So, all right, so we're going to take T-bar bungees through the front center holes of the sunshade with the T-bar facing down or on the inside of the sunshade. Okay. You gotta have these T-bar bungees in this pack. So I thought this was for the windshield like being off, but it's not. So you're gonna take these, there's different sizes of these too. So you're gonna take a 10-inch, which is obviously gonna be the shorter one. And we're going to thread it through the front center holes of the sunshade with the T-bar facing down. Yep. So this is going to go 10-inch center holes. Center. We'll do this one on this side. It's closest to me. All right, got that. Well, how this is going to work? Let's find out. All right, so doing this in real time. I didn't do this before, so it is a little different. Get your short cord. That's the T-bar. So the T-bar is going to be this one. It looks like that, and you're going to use this. So what you do is you put the shortest one in the center. I already did this one. So you're going to put it through the center hole. Remember, the T-piece needs to be facing down toward the inside of the car. Once you pull it through, though, you're going to pop out. There's a little holder here. You're going to pull this out so it actually forms a T like that. So then it can't pull through, right? You're going to take this. This is the hardest part about the whole thing. Do this, and you're going to push this through between the gap. And I'll show you the gap because I'm doing this by myself. So you're going to push it through the gap of the rubber and the windshield right here, right above the visor. That's where I did that at, right here. So you're just gonna push it through. So what I did is I pulled down the sun visor and I pushed it through right to the left side of where, or right, depending on which side of the car you're on, of where it's gonna clip through. And it's gonna come through just like that. You just pull it. Oh, there you go. And then it's in. And you can take that off. Don't need that. And then you're going to put this on. Bungee cords are so much fun. There you go. I'm going to slide that back over that way. Just like that. Okay, so now that's on the front. Okay, now we're going to do this again probably for the sides, it looks like. It says, thread your 10-inch through the front center holes of the sunshade with the T-bar facing down or on the of each other on the side of windshield bolts. Outside of each of the windshield bolts. So I did outside. So that's the main thing. You see the bolt right there? It just wants you to do it on the outside, which is what I did. And then tells you to attach them, whatever. All right, front corner attachment points. The two corner attachment points should be positioned to the outside of each of the front corner windshield bolts using your 13-inch T-bars, which is this one. So we're going to put this through here just like we did before. And then pop this out so it doesn't, go anywhere. Again, there we go. And there's the windshield bolts. This goes to the outside, it says. I guess it comes, let me see here. So we're going to just do this the same way, I guess. Just make sure it goes to the right side of the bolt is the main thing, it looks like. Hitting something there. So get it in. Oh, I think I found it. There we go. All right, go bring this up. Stretch it out. Voila. Bungee on. There we go. Now I gotta do it for the other side. So we're gonna pause the video. I'm gonna go over to the other side and do this so it's easier for me. And we'll be back and I'll show you the rest of them. All right, so these things are very tight. So far the biggest pain in the butt has been these T-bar ones up here. However, because it has the airbags up here, you're not supposed to use these center ones right here. So these need to be longer. They need some longer ones for these corners because these are supposed to go around the bar, the roll bar, but you can't really get it around the roll bar in a good spot because it makes it look goofy if you just went straight here with it. Wouldn't work. So you have to actually come back. And I'll show you this connection point that I'm talking about once I get this on. Be very careful with these because they are bungee cords. And if you don't have experience with bungee cords, you let one of these things loose, it's going to take your eye out. Bungee cords are not your friend by any means. So be very, very careful with bungee cords. Now, the last one, now the long ones, remember, oh, I must have hit a button. Lights came on. Remember the long ones now, they go back here in the center. They loop around the sound bar. This is where the longer ones are for. And so you just feed these through the back. Don't really like how that one's fed because it hits the light, it looks like, but maybe I could, yeah, slide it that way. I don't know. For right now, we're going to do it this way. So this one's going to go same. Just like that. Over the sound bar. Now remember, don't take your eye out. Freaking bungee cords, man. There we go. I'm going to be redoing this one because I don't like that part of it. All right, here we go. All right. There we go. Very nice. And now you can just make your adjustments on it, you know, however you think you need. But looks like I got it pretty well on there good. Kind of centered up, got 2 fingers on each side there, got centered all the way around. Very nice. Very nice indeed. All right, I will show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys, getting you off the tripod. We're gonna show you guys actually how I did this. So this is what it looks like here on the inside of the car now. In the back, see the little balls are everywhere. You can see the ball. Oh, let me turn on some light for you guys. Maybe you can see better. So you can see the balls are like in there. Down here. Here's the top. So you can see right here is those T-bars, they feed in right there between that little spot in the windshield. And here's the one in the corner. You feed it in right there. And then there's how those feed across the top and the back. I crisscrossed them. You'll see I crisscrossed. So this is the rear one and this is the front one. So I crisscrossed it to keep it off the light. You'll see there's a light there on the bottom, so you got to keep that off of there. And that light I'm talking about is right there. These lights, right there. Keep it off of those. So I crisscrossed it, and you can see the balls underneath here a little bit better. But man, these T-bar ones right here, pain in the butt to feed those through. But you see that bolt right there? See that bolt up there? That is a bolt you want to be on the inside of, and it's identical on that side. And then over here, there's a bolt right there. So you want to be on the outside of that, or inside of that one rather. So keep it all on the inside, or is it supposed to be on the outside? I just realized I think I messed that one up. I messed that one up. I gotta redo that one. Yeah. So that's supposed to be on the other side of that, and I totally messed that up. But I'll take care of that. We'll fix that. That won't be a problem. So I'm gonna go back to my instructions and make sure I did that right on that one corner there. But other than that, it looks awesome, and it's supposed to keep it keeps the wind down, the heat off of you. So yeah, you should pick one of these up. I'll have a link down below in the description. I'm getting worn out. These things, the bungee cords are rough. Make sure you're being super safe with those. Don't let them let go. Don't slip. It's going to hit you in the face. It's going to hurt really, really bad. And also don't install the ones that go over the airbags. So until next time, guys, like the video, subscribe for me, follow all my pages. Links are below. Let me know what you think. See ya. Bye. All right, so I forgot one thing real quick. The alien, we had to mount the alien in her Jeep. Look at him. Put him right up there. Doing a little disco dance. He's on the ball like Miley Cyrus doing the wrecking ball. Look at him. Almost forgot that. A little Easter egg. Alright, now the video's over. So now like and subscribe. See y'all. Bye.